Chris here from Balance Central. I want to tackle a question. What's your purpose? Why do you exist in the world? Now, this is a big one, and I don't expect that everyone has an answer to this. I certainly didn't for years. And something was revealed to me recently was that my answer to why I show up in the world and what my purpose is different to what it was 2 years ago. So I invite you to ask that question of yourself. What is your purpose? Why do you show up in the world? What gets you up in the morning? And just sit with it and see if it is different from a year ago, 6 months ago, 5 years ago. And allow that why to have expanded. Because we are all expanding and evolving, whether we know it or not. And therefore, our why needs to expand and evolve as well.